Hello all, we are vXchnge and my name is Evan Olson. We have had the privilege of being a member of the AT&T co-location ecosystem going on 2 years now. With our lineage and our history dating into the AT&T Alliance channel from some of our founding members, we know what it takes to drive business and ultimately win through the channel, and specifically the AT&T channel. Our results are continuing to pile up, and one of the things that we wanted to share with you were a couple of videos from 3 of our partners that have closed new logos in the third quarter this year. Some of the words that they've used to describe us, really resonated and stood out to me, and words that I wanted to share with you. Words like flexible, words like quality product, quality service, secure, responsive, transparent, an overall great partner that will protect not only their brand and their business, but also their customers' brand and business. And that's our commitment to you in all engagements, from early on conversations to client calls to lifecycle management. I hope that you enjoy hearing the story from the 3 partners that you're just about to hear from, and I'm hopeful and look forward to adding your win to this list and this board to share with many. Thank you.
You guys absolutely delivered. You guys had them in, actually ironically today, which, the original date of install was end of this month. Mm-hmm. The customer, of course, wanting to get out of their current environment, you guys did the best you could. You guys had it delivered and said, here you go, we'll spin you up. There's still some work to be done, but you allowed the customer to come in and work the environment, which in my years of experience in this business, I've never heard of that, a vendor doing that. You guys have always kept us in the loop, but more importantly, you guys delivered news, good or bad, to us, and you always made sure we're updated. And when I say bad news, it wasn't that it was anything in your control, but you were very transparent. The customer appreciated the transparency. If it wasn't going to be delivered today, then you told us it wasn't going to be delivered today. Our partnership is strong. So I can tell you, Evan, that there's absolute trust with myself and of course with Kelly that we would provide anything and work with you again for sure with other clients.
And it was a great win with some potential upside, and I would recommend vXchnge to any AT&T customer or any customer looking for a presence. So very easy and very great to work with.
Highly recommend them. They've not done anything less than satisfactory and have provided a lot of confidence in our clients, and we're very thankful for them. Thank you.